How do you fix Waterpark Simulator is crashing on Steam? So first you want to right click on the game and open up the properties. And from the installed files, you want to verify the game files. And once it's completed, you want to go back to the General tab and add -DX11 to the launch options. Now you can close Steam, then open up your browser and navigate to this link, which you can find in the description of this video. And from here, you will need to download and install the redistributables. You will most likely need these two, the 86 and the 64 if you're running Windows. So make sure to download and install both of these, and once it's completed, you will be prompted to restart your computer. So right after the restart, what you'll need to do as well is update your GPU drivers. So for NVIDIA GPUs, you will need this NVIDIA app. Then you want to go to drivers, and from here check for updates and make sure to download and install the latest driver update. And if you're using AMD, you will need to download the AMD software. And once you're done, you want to go to Steam, right click on it and run as admin, and then just launch the game from the library. This should solve the crash problem. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and see you on the next one.